that shit. I've been calling your phone. I called you like 20 times.
That's not my fault. I didn't read it.
I gave you a job.
Holy shit.
Let me get it done.
You know what? That was your last fucking chance.
What the fuck was my last time?
What the fuck do you mean?
Listen,
I
all
gave you a
that
job to do. Bitch! You call me a bitch?
Holy
Okay,
shit
you
going
know
on
what?
out here.
I got your bitch. And guess what? That's why that shit is gonna end tonight.
Okay,
That
so
shit is gonna end right now. Oh, what's about to happen?
That's what you call me out here for? Why you keep fucking with this bitch ass nigga?
Yo, who the fuck are you?
Don't matter who I am, nigga. I down you.
Love you, man.
Hey man, just checking in, making sure everything good. Motherfucker, I can hear you breathing.
Everything's cool.
You sure? I can still smell the smoke through the door.
Nah, that's taken care of.
Matter of fact, let me just come and make sure.
It's getting late, and I don't really need the company right now.
You know what? I ain't even realize the time.
Yeah. You know, I think you should be leaving. I'm sure the cops are on their way.
And what you gonna tell them?
That I saw
Did
you.
I what? Knocked on your door, try to show a little concern for our neighbor? Or that I'm just...
You don't live here.
I didn't know you was the landlord,
I'm not, but I know you don't.
but you happen to know everybody in every unit though, huh?
What does
How
that...
you think I got in? How you think I got
Stop fucking cutting me off! Look, man. All I did was wake up, close my window, and burn my microwave. I only looked outside because it was getting loud. I never asked to be part of any of this.
So what did you see?
Nothing.
Hi there. I'm Lieutenant Angela Morris, and this is Detective Marcus Hill. We understand you may have seen what happened.
Now, you sure ain't gonna go look at his face?
What's up? How you doing? Got some time to talk?
Not really. What's going on, though?
I'm investigating a murder that happened in this area. I was going around questioning a couple of the locals to see if they knew any information.
I ain't got no information. I don't really see too much of anything these days.
Have a good night.
Detective Hill, let's locate the woman who placed the 911 call. She should still be nearby.
Yes, ma'am.
And also, let's see if anyone caught anything on their phones.
10-4.